India's aerospace industry is entering a completely new era, and this time, the private sector is leading the transformation. For the first time in the country's history, an Indian private company has successfully established and operationalized a complete military aircraft final assembly line. And just a few days ago, the very first aircraft rolled out from this facility. The company behind this historic achievement is Tata. The aircraft being produced is the C-295, a highly versatile twin-turboprop tactical transport aircraft specially designed for military operations. It can transport troops, cargo, vehicles, and critical equipment while also operating from short and rough airstrips in challenging environments. This makes the aircraft extremely valuable for missions in remote regions, border areas, and difficult battlefield conditions. So in this video, we'll explore how Tata is becoming one of India's most important aerospace and defense companies, and how this ambitious project could reshape the future of the Indian aviation industry. Tata is rapidly becoming one of the biggest forces behind India's aerospace and defense manufacturing revolution. Known globally for its massive business empire, from Tata Salt and Tata Motors to steel, infrastructure, and heavy engineering, the Tata Group has built a reputation for trust, quality, and reliability over decades. But today, one of Tata's most impressive and lesser-known achievements is taking shape in the aerospace sector. And this growing capability is now attracting partnerships from some of the world's largest aerospace and defense companies. At the center of this transformation is Tata Advanced Systems Limited, also known as TSL, the group's flagship aerospace and defense manufacturing company. TSL operates major centers of excellence in Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Nagpur, focusing on aerostructures, aero engines, advanced systems, and high-precision aerospace components. What makes this even more impressive is that many aircraft flying around the world today contain components manufactured by Tata in India, even if those aircraft are not operated by India itself. This clearly shows how India is slowly becoming part of the global aerospace supply chain. One of Tata's biggest global collaborations is with Lockheed Martin. Since 2020, Tata has partnered with Lockheed Martin to manufacture empennage assemblies for the C-130J Super Hercules military transport aircraft. So far, more than 220 empennage units have already been delivered. Tata also supports production of fighter wings and major structural components for the F-16 Fighting Falcon. Another major partnership is with Boeing through Tata Boeing Aerospace Limited, or TBL, operational since 2016. Under this joint venture, Tata manufactures fuselage secondary structures and vertical spar boxes for the AH-64 Apache attack helicopter. More than 300 Apache fuselages have already been delivered to global customers. Meanwhile, Tata Sikorsky Aerospace in Hyderabad produces critical aerospace components for helicopters like the Sikorsky S-92. Tata also works closely with Airbus. The company supplies important components for commercial aircraft such as the A320neo, A330neo, and A350. But perhaps the biggest milestone came with the inauguration of India's first private sector military aircraft final assembly line for the C-295 transport aircraft in Vadodara. This facility manufactures nearly 13,000 detailed aircraft parts, with almost 85% of the structural work and assembly being done inside India. This is a massive step toward India's dream of becoming self-reliant in aerospace manufacturing. Tata's aerospace expansion also includes partnerships with GE Aerospace. Through its engine manufacturing facilities, Tata produces highly precise components for CFM International LEAP engines, the same engines powering many modern commercial airliners worldwide. These components are now integrated directly into GE's global supply chain. And recently, Tata achieved another major milestone. Tata Aviation signed an agreement with Tata to manufacture fuselage sections for the Rafale fighter jet in Hyderabad. This marks one of the most advanced aerospace manufacturing partnerships ever established in India's private sector. Tata's contribution is not limited to global aerospace companies alone. The company also plays a major role in strengthening India's own defense ecosystem. Tata has delivered more than 100 Akash missile system launchers to the Indian Air Force and is actively developing advanced military systems, including kamikaze drones, surveillance systems, and specialized naval launcher radars. Its Hyderabad Center of Excellence for Metallic Details demonstrates high-volume precision manufacturing using advanced machining technologies capable of producing thousands of complex aerospace components with exceptional accuracy. Alongside this, Tata also manufactures composite panels for the Boeing P-8I maritime patrol aircraft and produces highly complex metallic components like acoustic panels, fairings, casings, seals, tubing, and engine liners for companies including GE Aerospace and Rolls-Royce. Today, Tata manufactures tens of thousands of aerospace parts across multiple aviation programs. From over 13,000 parts for the C-295 aircraft, to more than 300 Apache helicopter fuselages, over 220 C-130J empennage assemblies, and precision LEAP engine components supplied globally. Tata's aerospace footprint is expanding at an extraordinary pace. The future looks even bigger. Tata and Airbus are currently discussing plans to manufacture the H-125 helicopter in Karnataka, a move that could further strengthen India's position in global aerospace manufacturing. More importantly, global aerospace giants are increasingly placing their trust in Tata because of its manufacturing quality, reliability, delivery capability, and ability to maintain strict confidentiality standards. This growing trust is helping transform India into a major aerospace manufacturing hub for the future. So, what are your thoughts on Tata's rapidly growing role in India's aerospace and defense sector? Could Tata eventually become one of the world's leading aerospace manufacturers? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more aerospace and defense content.